Hello mom and sir, good morning. I'm Hazel Cabico Valdez. I'm 42 years old. I'm married and have two children, 18 and 13, one boy and one girl. I live at Sawel Poblacion, Quirino, Ilocos Sur, Philippines. My father is Rodolfo Cabico. He is a farmer. And my mother is Florencia Agustin. She is a plain housewife. I working in Singapore for almost 1 year and 2 months. My main duties is household works like cleaning, ironing, laundry. I do marketing and shopping. I do also cleaning the car, and I'm taking care of our children 15 and 5 years old. The 5 years old I take care. I do bathing, feeding, change clothes, and I go send and pick up from school. Here in Philippines, I'm working for almost 5 years in one employer. My main duties is cleaning, ironing, laundry, go shopping, go marketing, and cleaning the car. I do take care of our children, 4 years old and 6 years old. I do feeding, taking a bath, playing, then I go send and pick up from school. And in 2021, I worked 11 months of taking care of a newborn for one family of 5. I do household works like cleaning, ironing, and laundry, taking care of a baby. To my future employer, I want to be honest that if you hired me, I do my responsibilities to do what is my main job to your family. I'm a loving and caring and responsibilities to my duties. Thank you and have a nice day.